She's not gonna do it.
Are you gonna do it?
Take her sweater off.
Let me take your sweater off. Is it gonna be what I think it is? Are you gonna have a baby? What's it say? The big fifth Ollie! Ollie's gonna be a big fifth.
That's how you're supposed to do it, Ollie.
I'm excited. Are you excited?
Oh,
Are you excited?
I don't think she's excited. She didn't know until now.
Well, she kind of knew.
She kind of knew, but she didn't put it together.
Do you know what this says? You're going to get a baby brother or sister. That's what this says.
Mommy's pregnant.
Big fifth Ollie. Mommy's got a baby in her belly.
Seriously.
What do you think? Are you excited?
I don't think she's excited.
Are you excited?
Sure she is.
She's embarrassed.
Sure she
Are you
is.
embarrassed?
She's embarrassed.
She didn't know what to say when you put it on her.
She knew it had her name on it. That was it.
Oh, Ollie. Do you know? Look at this.
So you're going to wear that
It
around
says
when
Big fifth
Josh
Ollie. You're going to have a baby. Oh, I'm so
Oh,
excited.
you've been asking for that.
Haven't you been asking for a baby?
She's embarrassed.
I heard you even when you said your prayers at night. You said that.
Yes. Yes.
She's embarrassed.
I know.
When?